Unleash your design potential and build stunning, professional websites visually, without writing a single line of code. Welcome to Webflow, the intuitive platform that puts the power of web design and development directly in your hands today. We're diving into its core features to get you building responsive websites like a pro. First, let's understand the building blocks in the designer. You'll find an Elements panel on the left. Simply drag and drop elements like headings, text paragraphs, images, and interactive buttons onto your canvas to start constructing your page. Next, styling is a breeze. Select any element, and the Style panel on the right lets you control its appearance, adjust fonts, colors, spacing like margins and padding, and so much more. You can even create custom classes to apply consistent styling across your site. Webflow empowers you to build for every screen size. Notice the responsive toggles at the top of the designer. You can effortlessly switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views to ensure your website looks flawless on any device. Want to add some flair? Dive into the Interactions panel to create captivating animations and micro-interactions. Think smooth scrolling effects, animated buttons on hover, or dynamic content transitions, all achievable without code. For dynamic content like blog posts or product listings, Webflow's powerful CMS is a game-changer. Create custom collections, define your fields, and easily manage and display your data throughout your website. This saves incredible time and effort. Once your masterpiece is complete, publishing is just a click away. Webflow handles the hosting and deployment, so you can share your professional, responsive website with the world, all from this single, powerful platform.